We're back at it with Food Bougie recipes. This week's recipe, we have a delicious cake for you guys.
Delicious cake.
Yes, it is an orange pineapple cake.
Orange pineapple cake. A little dessert.
A little dessert, since we did appetizers last time.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have you assist if you would, please.
Sure.
We're gonna go ahead and get at it. So you need first a box of white cake mix.
So we're not gonna do it with the flour and the sugar. We're just gonna use the cake mix.
Cheat code. I'm using store-bought, so.
Okay, Dunkin'. Oh, we're not giving no sponsorship, so yeah. No. Should have put a black label over it. Okay.
We should have.
All right, so you're just going.
So just, yeah, a box of white cake mix.
Yeah.
And I should let you know that the plastic was still in there.
Yeah. Okay, so you still need the box?
Yep. And then to the box, we're going to add 1 box of orange Jello.
Orange Jello.
Yep, another cheat code.
Okay.
The orange Jello is going to give the cake its color and a little bit of the orange flavor.
Got a little dust coming.
Woohoo!
All right, so.
Okay, next we're going to add 2/3 cups of crushed pineapples. Now, this has the pineapple juice and the pineapples in it together.
So that's gonna make it wet.
Yes, it is. And if you need that.
It's gonna make it wet. Oh, you want me to mix it up now?
Oh, no. I didn't know if you need to scoop it.
Okay.
Okay, so next we're gonna add 1/2 cup of water.
1/2 cup of water,
Yep.
H2O.
H2O.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add 1 cup of vegetable oil.
That's a lot of damn oil.
Don't worry about your cholesterol. You be all right.
Okay, I gotta worry about if I don't worry about my cholesterol, who will?
I won't kill you, I promise.
All right, so.
Okay, and then next we're gonna add 4 eggs to the batter. So go ahead and crack them. 4 eggs? 4 eggs.
You got some more of these? I can go on the street corner and
Nowadays, we might have to.
All right, so 4 eggs.
So go to your local egg dealer if you must.
If you must. Okay. So this cake taking 4 eggs.
4 eggs, I tell you, boy.
Yeah, okay, so.
We'll go without lights later.
So we know we're gonna use the whisker instead of a mixer?
Yes, for right now we're gonna whisk everything together, and when you get it nice and blended, then I'm gonna have you swap the whisker for the spatula.
So you gotta whisk it up. If you don't have a mixer, for how long you gotta do this?
You just wanna get
just
everything
till it get all
nice,
moist.
Yep, and blend it and try to get some of the clumps of the cake batter.
You gotta just keep stirring it until it get moisturized.
Go ahead and use a little bit of that elbow grease in there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So look at it, it's getting a little orangey color.
Yes, it is, and that's coming from the Jello.
Yeah, okay. Not the yolk of the egg.
That's correct.
All right, so you think that's good, or you want me to keep going, or what?
I think you did good, so now we're gonna have you swap out the whisker for the spatula. And go ahead and give it a couple slaps together.
So we're gonna, after this, it's all mixed up, we're just gonna pour it into the cake, to the pan.
Yes.
And you chose to do a bundt pan instead of...
I chose to do a bundt pan. In the past, when I've made this cake, it really comes out good as a sheet cake. But I have made it as a 2-layer cake before, and it was still delicious. So today I decided to try bundt pan this time. Trying something a little different, so we'll see.
So we're gonna pour it into the bundt pan?
Yes. Now, I've already greased the bundt pan just to make sure that it won't stick. How pretty.
Okay. So
go ahead and get it all out.
Got the pineapple chunks in here.
Yes, so your batter's gonna have some of the pineapple chunks in it.
All right, I think I got the majority of it.
What we're gonna do is bake this at 325 for 45 minutes. So we're going to pop this in the oven, and while it's cooking, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the icing.
Yeah, we'll be back after this bad boy is cooked. You said 45 minutes?
45 minutes.
45.
At 325.
At 325. All right, let's go.
Okay. So we went ahead and the rest of the crushed pineapples that was in the can, we went ahead and drained it to remove as much of the pineapple juice as we could. So next what we're gonna do is combine the drained pineapples along with, you want to use a whipped white or vanilla icing.
Whip it, yep. Some whipped icing. So you want me to put it in the bowl?
Yep, go ahead, go for it.
Okay. All of it, right?
Yep, all of it, the whole can or container.
Plastic container. Okay, it's messy, man. It's
You
like,
should be used to messy because you, oh, never mind.
really? All right, so this is
Go ahead,
whipped
get it all
icing.
out.
Whipped icing. All right. Okay.
Okay, so next you want to combine your pineapples and with it.
See the crushed pineapples. Look, you still got some juice.
Yeah, it's gonna have just a little residual
Yeah,
juice.
a little residual.
Yes.
Okay. So now what? Just mix it all in.
Mix it all in there.
It's a lot of pineapples.
It is a lot of pineapples.
How much was this? How much?
It was
this what
the
was
rest,
remaining of
the remaining
can?
of the can. That's
Okay.
correct.
Which was about what? Maybe a cup.
Well, we used 2/3 of it for the cake batter itself, and it was, I think, a 15-ounce can.
Okay. All right. Is that good enough for you?
Yep, that's good.
Okay. So you're gonna ice in the cake.
So
What's this?
when the cake comes out the oven, we'll go ahead and top it off with the icing.
All right, so we back, and here's the dessert. Orange pineapple cake. You smothered the cake with a lot of
Yeah, I
icing.
got a little crazy with the icing. So just be careful when you guys ice your cake. Don't overdo it like I just did.
It's all good. So you're gonna go ahead and cut it so we can taste it, see how it
Yes.
is? Really? Why you going to this?
Well, I'll let you do it.
Okay. A little bundt cake. Okay.
So it's nice and orange.
Orange bundt cake. Yeah, okay, let's see.
I'll let you be the guinea pig. So how is it?
It's good. It's still kind of warm. Maybe that's why the icing is low. Tastes pretty good.
I think the Jell-O makes it nice and moist too. It gives a nice moist texture to the cake.
All right, little dessert. Orange pineapple cake.
Hope you guys try it. Hope you like it.
Food Boujee recipes. Until the next time, we out.
We out.